Welcome to info quizzes and knowledge tests. There are 10 total questions about your environment and literature. You have 5 seconds to answer each question. You can pause the video if you need more time. And tell us what you scored in the comments. Let us start. Paris is the capital and most populous city of France. The Nile River is approximately 6,650 kilometers long. Japan is called the land of the rising sun due to its location east of Asia. The Antarctic Desert is the largest, covering the continent of Antarctica. Antarctica has no permanent residents, making it the least populated continent. William Shakespeare is the author of this famous tragedy. Gandalf is a central character and wizard in Tolkien's epic fantasy series. George Orwell authored this dystopian novel. Catching Fire is the second book in the Hunger Games trilogy. Jane Austen wrote this classic novel about love and societal norms. Tell us how well you did down below, and see you in the next video.